Hello friends, my name is Suhail Ayub Saudagar and today topic is encapsulation in Java and today date is 4th October 2022. So encapsulation in Java I will explain. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation in a process of wrapping the code, the data together a single unit single unit, for example capsule, which method is several medicines. Encapsulation means code your code inside outside the wrapper, and your main logic is inside and through the pass out the logic. That means encapsulation. We can create a fully encapsulated class in Java, making all the methods of a class private. We can create setter and getter method, set and get the data in it. In Java bin class, example of fully encapsulated class. Advantages of encapsulation. By providing only setter and getter method, we can create the class read only and write only. In other words, read only and write only. In other words, you can skip the getter and setter method. That is the main function of encapsulation. Providing you can control the over data. Suppose you want to the set value which should be greater than 100 only, and you can write a logic method in a setter method. You can write the logic not to be a store negative numbers in a setter method. It is a way to active data handling because the Java class will not able to access the through the private member. The encapsulation class is easy to test, so it is a better to the unit testing. The standard ID is providing the facility the greater the great create encapsulated class in Java. So encapsulation means you code wrapper than your code, and that means encapsulation. A simple example of encapsulation. Let's the simple example of encapsulation. It has the only one field is a setter getter method in a Java. Thank you.